How to set up WhatsApp auto reply. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's brief tutorial video, I'll show you how to set up an auto reply on WhatsApp. So first of all, for that you have to open your Play Store and then search for WhatsApp Business, and you can install it by clicking on the install button right over here. Once it is installed in the latest version available, you just have to launch the application. Click on open and make sure that you sign into this specific account. Once you open your WhatsApp Business, in the top right corner, tap on the three dots and then select Business Tools, that is between the Advertise and New Group option. Click on it. Next, click on Greeting Message, that is in the messaging section. Click on it. And you have to enable the option to send a greeting message. Simply toggle the switch on, and after that click on the edit option to type your auto reply message. Click on this pencil icon over here, and then you can type in or just select the given message and click on OK. Finally, click on the save option and your auto reply is now set up. So whenever someone sends you a message on WhatsApp, they'll automatically receive your reply. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.